When you write 888 on the body of egg and you break the egg on the main road, what is going to happen? When you write 888 on the body of egg and you break the egg on the main road, what is going to happen? First, if anyone is behind your success, or you have money challenge, or you have the money but you don't know how you spend it, or you walk like an elephant but you eat like rats. Are you with me? Most especially if anyone is behind your success, something bad is going to happen to that person. Are you with me? If you write 888 with red marker on the body of egg and you break it on the road, believe me, the result will change your life totally. The result will change your life totally by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. When you check my previous video, it's like I've explained something like this, but different numbers. The first one is when you write 777, but this one is not 777. This one is 888. Believe me, you will share me a good testimony by the grace of Almighty God. So what you need is egg. But this egg, you must get this egg in the afternoon. Let me say anything from 1 2, you get this egg. If you don't have this, if you don't have egg in your kitchen, you can go out and buy it that time between 1 and 2. But you have this egg in your kitchen, you are going to take the egg around 1 or 2. You understand? So how to do it and how to use it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dr. MUTIU, OLATIBOYE, also known as Babiwinje. If this is your first time here, everything I do is to share spiritual tip, just like the one that I want to share with you right now. And if you find this video very interesting, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell. So whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And if you need more of my videos, you are free to go back to my previous video. You will see a lot of video there that can help your spiritual life. But if you don't understand, feel free to call me on 070-3742-2552. How to do it and how to use it. You will get egg, fresh egg. It doesn't matter if it is local one or agric one, anyone that you see. you get one egg in the afternoon around 1 o'clock, 1:30 or 2 o'clock. You understand? PM, not AM. 1 AM, 1 PM and 2 PM. You understand? And if you have this in your kitchen, if you have this in your kitchen, you are going to take it around 1 o'clock, 1:30 and 2 o'clock PM. You understand? So you must make sure that you get a new red marker, unused marker. You now use this marker to write 888. You write it in the way that we round circle the egg. You write it in a you write it very big. You understand? 888, so that it will circle the egg. Not that you are going to write it in a small letter. You understand? So when are you going to break this egg? When are you going to break it? That very day you wrote 888 on the body of the egg, you are not going to do anything with that egg. You can break it in the night before you sleep. You can break the egg early in the morning. You understand? But before you break the egg, you must naked yourself and you hold the egg with your left hand. You understand? You say all your intention for money matter, for breakthrough, anyone behind your success. You work like an elephant and you eat like rat, which means that you work a lot but you don't have money. You understand? You work a lot but you don't have money. Oh, lakojo. You cannot point some this is my property, and you have the money. If is spiritual problem, believe me, you are going to overcome it. You are going to overcome it. If it is not the spiritual problem, maybe you are the one deceiving yourself. You drink, you go club, you carry women, it's not going to work. You understand? But if you know that this problem is not ordinary problem, it's not ordinary problem. It's like family issue, or you suspected someone, or you suspect someone. Know that this thing is not an ordinary heist. Please do it. By the grace of Almighty God, you overcome it. You will overcome it by the grace of Almighty God. So you naked yourself, you see whatever thing you want, your business, your money, your success, anyone behind your problem. See what is going to happen to that person. Myself, I don't know. I don't know. But I will advise you not to mention anybody's name. You understand? Say the prayer general. You say it generally. So then after that, you put on your cloth, you take the egg. Don't put this egg in your room that day. If you know that you are not going to break the egg that day, don't pray on that egg. You understand? If you know that you write the 888 today, you want to break it tomorrow. That tomorrow is when you are going to pray on that egg. Are you with me? So this egg, you will take it to a road, a busy road, even like express. You understand? You break the egg on that road. If you want to break this kind of egg, you don't need to put it on the road and you smash it. No, you stay away, you stay far away from where you want to break it. Like, let me assume that 6 feet to the busy road, you just throw it. You understand? Throw it there. If the egg is not break, leave it. Something is going to break it by the grace of Almighty God. Simple as ABC. Your victory will start from your dream by the grace of Almighty God. You will overcome money issue, business issue by the grace of Almighty God. It's very simple and very, very effective. So that is how to do it, and that is how to use it. Even I have some videos that I really want you to watch where I share some private videos. Although this particular videos is currently only available to member of this channel. Only my member can actually see this video. So if you like to become member of my channel, it's actually very simple. So go ahead and click on the join button showing under this video, and choose any pack. That's all. So when you join, it will, whenever I share any private video, you'll be able to see it. You understand? But if you are not the member of my channel, there's no way you can see it. So that's all. If you love this video, please help me to like this video. As you like my video, may Almighty God bless you and bless your family. Thank you very much.
Alawalu, alakiru, asohiru, abatinu, Ọlọ́run ọba. Ìwọ ló pamọ́, ìwọ ló fara jáde. Alárágbá yìí dániyàn, ara tó wù ọ́ dáadáa ló dẹ̀ ń dán. Èyí tó ní káwa máa fẹ́ wé dá ládẹ̀ fi dá. Ìwọ ṣàlò ní kọ́kọ́rọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀mí nìyẹn. Fásikúrú ni wọ́n nínú ìsìnkú. La fi ń ṣe tiwa ewé jẹ́ òbẹ̀ èyí tó dá fún wa ládẹ̀ gbójúlé èyí tó ní ká ló ládẹ̀ ń lò ọba ńlá dákun má jẹ́ ká ṣiṣẹ́ ọba tó rí gbogbo ẹ̀dá ta orí ìwọ lọ́ba tá ń gbàṣẹ lọ́dọ̀ rẹ̀ à ń bẹ̀ ọ́